Daily Success Mantras. Reinforcement of any kind is a powerful tool for changing yourself. Therefore, it follows that incorporating daily success mantras will help you succeed. The brain reacts consistently to a stimuli, and by having a set of mantras on a daily basis will help you train your brain. Mantras are what many of us would refer to as affirmations, or sayings or phrases that you repeat to yourself so that they become a part of you. You will want to say them during meditation or throughout the day, but you will want to say them out loud. This is because that you will use more senses when doing so. If you simply repeat them inside of your head, your ears won't hear them and your mouth will not speak them. By engaging more of your senses, your brain will capture and process them quicker. This type of positive self-reinforcement works. People often try them for a couple of days or a week and then pass them off as if they're not working. It takes about 30 days for them to start sinking in. Once they begin working, you'll want to continue them daily for even better results. Some people like to use the same set of mantras each day, while others will use one success mantra and change it every day for a 30-day period. You may find that using different sets work better for you. How you decide to do it is not as important as being consistent. This is the key for making them work. Now, you'll find some people who will say that you're crazy for wanting to try this. This would be members of your family, friends, co-workers, and even members of online community. Don't let them control you. Using success mantra is something that will help your life. You will have the last laugh. One thing that you can say to your naysayers is, how can saying mantras repeatedly hurt? Even if they don't work, there's simply no harm in anyone using them. In my next video, I will post several examples of mantras that I invite you to try. You can use them as is or make them your own. Here's a couple of tips. Number one, start each day with a gratitude mantra, then use your success mantra and repeat it throughout the day. End your day with a gratitude mantra. Remember, daily is best to get the full effectiveness of your mantras. Training your brain and your subconscious requires frequent affirmations and repetition. Anyhow, if there's anything that you want to know more about marketing or personal development, send me an email or a DM and let me know how I can be of service to you. This has been Andy Broadaway.